Where do duas go? Little Zaid sat on the prayer mat, his hands raised and his eyes closed tightly. Ya Allah, please make Mama feel better, he whispered softly. After his dua, he looked up at the ceiling, then at the window, then at the sky. His heart felt full of questions. Zaid curled up next to his grandmother, who was knitting quietly in her rocking chair. Dadi, he asked, where do duas go? She looked at him, surprised. What do you mean, my dear? He sat up straight. When I make dua, where does it go? Does it fly? Does it wait in the sky? Does Allah always hear me? His voice shook a little. He does not want to sound doubtful. He just nodded. Dadi smiled and gently held his hand. Oh Zaid, she said kindly, what a beautiful question. She pointed to the ceiling. When you whisper a dua, it rises, even if your lips do not move. Even if it's just a thought, Allah hears it. Zaid's eyes widened. But how, Dadi? There are so many people in the world. How can he listen to me? Dadi leaned closer. Because Allah is not just like us, Zaid. He is Al-Basir, the all-seen. He is Al-Samir, the all-hearing. He knows what's in every heart, even the ones that do not know how to speak. Zaid blinked. So even my teeny dua for Mama, he heard it. Dadi smiled, nodded slowly. Yes, and he loves when you talk to him. Your dua does not get lost. It goes straight to him, and Allah always answer in the best way at the best time. Zaid's voice get quiet again, but Mama is still sick. There was silence. Dadi squeezed his hand gently. Sometimes Allah answers with patience. Sometimes He says yes, but not yet. And sometimes He gives something even better than what was asked for. Zaid looked down. So it's never wasted. Never, Dadi whispered. A single tear, a single word, a single hope in our heart. It all counts. That night, Zaid got up before Fajr. The sky was still dark. Star blinked gently above. He sat on the prayer mat again, but this time when he made a dua, he smiled because he knew, even though he could not see it, even though he could not feel it, his dua had reached Allah and Allah was listening always. Moral of the story, it's okay to ask questions in Islam. When we seek with love, Allah increase us in knowledge. Dua never get lost, they go straight to the most merciful. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the story, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.